Mama?
Mama.
Where's BB?
Let's take a picture. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Look. Say, hey, Mama.
What book did you read?
Mama.
Hey, Mama.
What book did you read? What is this?
Mama.
Does Pete say, oh, no?
Can you say, oh, no? Cypress, what does Pete say?
Oh,
Oh, no. Maybe BB will read you your book.
BB did. Let's read it again. Pete the cat and his new shoes. I can't see I love my white shoes. I can't see the white print in the dark. There's Pete with his new shoes. He got some new white shoes and he was so excited he was just walking along singing his song. I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes, I love my white shoes. Oh, no! Yeah! I stepped in a pile of strawberries. Strawberries? What color did it turn his shoes? Red! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He just kept walking along and singing his song. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes.
Oh, no!
Your turn. Oh, no! He stepped in a pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no.